The floor price for a Bored Ape right now is about $230,000, but this ape sold yesterday for about $70,000, and this was a mistake. This was due to an OpenSea glitch, and it's not only affecting Bored Apes, but it can affect any user on OpenSea. And this is what happened. This user set this ape for a listing of 19 Ethereum many months ago, when that is what apes were worth back at the time. But then they transferred it off of the wallet, and people will transfer it off either to send it to a more secure wallet, such as a hardware wallet, or maybe they just don't want to pay that cancellation fee on OpenSea. So this user transferred it off. And then yesterday, they transferred it right back. And due to this glitch, OpenSea listed it at the price this person set many, many months ago. This user thought that their NFT listing was canceled. They sent it off, and it disappeared from the website. And as soon as they sent it right back, it goes back into that OG wallet, and it's unable to be officially canceled by paying gas. So this person did set this price just 2 months ago. They thought they canceled it, and then all of a sudden, they sold this NFT without them even doing it on purpose. So you might have an NFT that you had on a wallet, you listed it in the past a month or two ago for 0.1 Ethereum, 0.2 Ethereum. And then all of a sudden, over the last 2 months, that NFT is now worth 1 Ethereum, 2, 3 Ethereum. If you send it back to OpenSea right now with this glitch, it may sell for that price that you set many months ago. So right now, just be very cautious sending NFTs back to that initial wallet if you previously set a price in the past and you did not officially cancel that listing in the past. Stay safe out there. Have a great day. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.